Welcome to Trivia Quiz channel. Ready to test your knowledge of national symbols? Join us for a fun and challenging quiz where you guess the national birds of different countries.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge and fun. Let's get started.
What is the national bird of Australia? The keel-billed toucan is the national bird of which country? Which country has the black-crowned crane as its national bird? The turquoise-browed motmot is the national bird of? What is the national bird of Brazil? Which country has the hoopoe as its national bird? The Andean condor is the national bird of which country? What is the national bird of the Philippines? Which bird is the national symbol of New Zealand? The peafowl is the national bird of which country? Which country has the crimson sunbird as its national bird? What is the national bird of the United States? Which country has the white stork as its national bird? The resplendent quetzal is the national bird of? What is the national bird of Japan? Which country has the gerfalcon as its national bird? The harpy eagle is the national bird of which country? What is the national bird of Iran? Which country has the barn swallow as its national bird? The lilac-breasted roller is the national bird of? What is the national bird of Mexico? Which country has the common loon as its national bird? The black woodpecker is the national bird of which country? What is the national bird of Bhutan? Which country has the white-tailed sea eagle as its national bird? The Arabian partridge is the national bird of which country? What is the national bird of Colombia? Which country has the black eagle as its national bird? The white-throated dipper is the national bird of? What is the national bird of South Korea? Which country has the Andean cock of the rock as its national bird? The European turtle dove is the national bird of which country? What is the national bird of Hungary? Which country has the swallow-tailed kite as its national bird? The Siamese fireback is the national bird of? What is the national bird of Sri Lanka? Which country has the blackbird as its national bird? The secretary bird is the national bird of which country? is the national bird of Belgium? Which country has the collared aracari as its national bird? Thanks for playing along. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next challenge. Enjoyed this quiz? Check out our playlist for more exciting challenges and test your knowledge on different topics.